is a funnel cloud. Huh.
Hi.
Huh. That's actually a tornado. It's probably a very weak tornado, but that's a tornado over there. It just is. You see it spinning around? And you see how it goes up into the cloud?
Yeah. Really?
That's very, very weird.
It's really a twister?
Mm-hmm. I don't think anyone lives there.
On the island?
It's called Hobbs Island. I don't think anyone lives there.
Or do people go there?
They might go there on their boats.
Well, they better not right now.
You see how it's moving up really fast? The cloud is moving up really fast?
Yes.
A lot of times the air in a tornado moves up really, really fast.
It's a real tornado.
It's a real tornado. It's probably not a very strong one, but it's a real tornado. Mm-hmm. Like it could knock down a tree on you.
But I bet it could make you dizzy if there's no trees. I bet it just make you kind of dizzy. What if there's no trees around?